Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 and today I would like to show you where you can find Rosemary font on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display section. Now scroll down just a bit. Click on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and tap on Download Fonts. Following that, choose Continue or click on I agree to get news and special offers and tap on Continue then. Lastly, just tap on Rosemary font and choose Install. Then you need to log in to your Samsung account and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!